Hi there to all our cheries! Today, we're learning to apply soft gel tips. Ready to apply, these lengthen your nails with no fuss at a perfect size and shape for you. Easy to fit and apply, these extensions are perfect to play with different gel color looks. Let's begin! First, choose the right tip for each nail. Sizes can vary. Make sure it covers the nail without overhang. If in between, pick the larger and file it down. Lay out all tips in order before applying. Just like any gel mani, prep is key. If you already know the prep steps, go ahead and get your nails ready. Not sure? Check out our full mani tutorial first. Ready? Let's keep going! Before starting this step, make sure your lamp is ready. Your hands will be busy from here on out. Take a gel nail tip and apply an even layer of nail glue to the matte underside, the part that adheres to the natural nail. Then, place a small bead of glue near the cuticle side of the tip. This extra drop helps the glue spread evenly when pressed down, creating a stronger bond and reducing air pockets. Now, hold the tip at a 45-degree angle at the cuticle. For this step, gently lower the tip onto the natural nail. Slow, steady, and firm for full contact with the glue. Press down until the tip fully covers the nail plate with no gaps, then hold it in place. While you firmly press the nail tip down with your other hand, immediately flash cure under an LED lamp for 5 to 10 seconds to stabilize the tip. Keep your grip steady to prevent shifting or lifting. After flash curing, release both hands and cure only the nail tip. Keep your fingers steady inside the lamp to allow for even curing. Once the tips are glued on, trim and shape them without worry. File with a 100/180 grit, then refine the edges with a buffer or sanding block. Soft gel tips don't just extend your nails. You can add color directly. Once applied, buff the surface. If needed, cleanse, then apply and cure your gel color as usual. Voila! Long, lovely nails made easy.